Kettlebells are versatile, cannonball-shaped weights that can provide a full-body workout. They're fantastic for strength training, cardiovascular conditioning, and improving flexibility. But have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you incorporate kettlebell exercises into your daily routine? Well, you're about to find out. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any fitness workout videos from us. So, now let's begin. Number 1. Increased flexibility and range of motion. Kettlebell exercises involve a wide range of motion, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This dynamic approach not only enhances muscle flexibility but also improves joint mobility. As you incorporate kettlebell swings, Turkish get-ups, and windmills into your daily routine, you'll notice increased agility and a greater range of motion. Number 2. Decreases body fat. The high-intensity nature of these exercises boosts your metabolism, turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. The combination of strength training and cardiovascular elements in kettlebell workouts makes them a potent tool for torching body fat and achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Number 3. Decreases lower back pain. Chronic lower back pain can be a thing of the past with regular kettlebell training. These workouts specifically target the muscles in your core, lower back, and hips, promoting strength and stability. A strong core is your body's natural armor against lower back pain, and kettlebell exercises are an effective way to build and maintain that strength. Number 4. Boosts metabolic rate. The combination of strength and cardiovascular training in kettlebell workouts not only burns calories during the exercise, but also elevates your metabolic rate post-workout. This phenomenon, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, means you continue to burn calories even after you've finished your workout, aiding in weight management. Number 5. Great source of cardio. Kettlebell workouts add an exciting and dynamic element to your cardiovascular training. The combination of explosive movements and sustained effort elevates your heart rate, improving cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Embrace the variety and challenge that kettlebell exercises bring to your workout routine. Number 6. Enhanced grip strength. Kettlebell exercises require a solid grip to control the weight and maintain proper form. As you progress in your kettlebell journey, you'll notice a significant improvement in grip strength. This not only benefits your workouts, but also enhances your performance in daily activities that require a firm hold. Number 7. Enhanced functional strength. Kettlebell exercises are known for promoting functional strength, which means the strength you gain applies to real-life movements. The dynamic nature of kettlebell workouts mimics everyday activities, making your body more efficient in tasks like lifting, carrying, and reaching. Number 8. Builds muscle. Are you looking to sculpt a lean and defined physique? Kettlebell workouts are a powerhouse for building muscle. The multi-joint movements engage major muscle groups, promoting hypertrophy and strength development, from your legs and glutes to your shoulders and core. Each kettlebell exercise contributes to a well-rounded and sculpted physique. Number 9. Improves posture. Kettlebell exercises specifically target the core and back muscles essential for maintaining an upright posture. As you consistently incorporate these workouts into your routine, you'll stand taller, feel more confident, and reduce the risk of posture-related issues. Number 10. Strengthens your joints. Protecting your joints is vital for long-term health, and kettlebell exercises are designed to do just that. The dynamic nature of these movements engages and strengthens the muscles surrounding your joints, providing added stability and support. This not only enhances athletic performance but also helps prevent injuries. Number 11. Helps in active recovery. Recovery is an integral part of any fitness journey, and kettlebell exercises can play a role in active recovery. Performing light. Kettlebell exercises on rest days promotes blood flow to fatigued muscles, aiding in faster recovery and reducing muscle soreness. It's a thoughtful and proactive approach to ensuring your body is ready for the next challenge. Number 12. Improved balance and coordination. Balancing a kettlebell during various exercises engages your stabilizer muscles, enhancing balance and coordination. This is particularly beneficial for older adults looking to prevent falls and maintain mobility. Number 13. Time-efficient workout. For those with a busy schedule, kettlebell workouts offer a time-efficient solution. The intensity and effectiveness of these exercises mean you can achieve a great workout in a relatively short amount of time. This makes them perfect for those who want maximum results with minimal time investment. Number 14. Increased cardiovascular health. Kettlebell workouts often involve dynamic movements that elevate heart rate, promoting cardiovascular health and endurance. Regular kettlebell training can significantly improve your endurance over time. This is particularly advantageous for athletes in sports that require sustained effort, such as running, cycling, or swimming. Number 15. Exercise versatility. Kettlebell exercises offer an incredible range of movements, from basic swings to advanced exercises like snatches and Turkish get-ups. The versatility keeps your workouts interesting and ensures you're constantly challenging your body. Number 16. Mental focus and coordination. Exercise isn't just about the body, it's a powerful tool for mental well-being. Performing kettlebell exercises requires focus and coordination. Kettlebell workouts release endorphins, reducing stress and anxiety. Your mood gets a boost, leading to improved cognitive function over time. It's like a natural therapy session. Remember, it's important to note that while exercising with kettlebells can offer numerous benefits, overtraining or improper technique can increase the risk of injury. It's essential to start gradually, listen to your body, and seek guidance from a qualified fitness professional to ensure safe and effective workouts. Additionally, incorporating rest days and varying your workouts can help prevent overuse injuries and keep your exercise routine enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell for more impactful videos like this. Make sure to check out our other videos on the channel. The links are on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.